Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll make the 3 a.m. slime. Yes, so it's 3 a.m. right now. We put the alarm and we're wearing our pajamas and our hair. Anyways, and so my name is Natalie and you must know me from Lace Number channel. So today we're gonna be
my
making
BFF.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
told you about
in the
it
BFF's
introducing
video.
myself.
Yeah, and also in the BFF's video in Lace
And
Number
this is
channel.
my
You have to
sister.
watch it.
Hi guys.
Yeah, and anyways, so the ingredients that you will need is
For
some
a fluffy slime.
Yeah, you will need some glue.
You'll
You
need
will
some
shaving cream.
You'll
You'll
need
need some food coloring and
And
contact lens solution,
solution.
which will make
And-
your slime work. So this is only testing. So guys, how about we get started?
Yeah, but the food coloring is optional.
Yeah, it's optional, but I'm just gonna start without food coloring. So we're putting some glue in. We're testing it. Okay. So now we're gonna start. Alright, good. Okay.
Second will be foaming.
Yeah, we'll put some shaving foam. So be careful because you need to put a little bit. Okay? This is how much you should put. Okay, you can't really see it. And now we're going to put some food coloring if you'd like. So I'm just going to put some yellow.
I'll put some blue on mine.
Okay. Okay, our hands are a bit slippery because of the gloves that we're wearing. So the food coloring doesn't come on it. Okay. I can open it. But put a drop. Like a bit. I put a drop and now I'm going to put another drop.
Okay, you just need a little.
Oh no, I put a lot. It's
Me
testing,
too.
it's okay. But it's just testing. Now we're going to mix it all up, guys. Then mix it till you're happy with your color that you like.
Yeah.
And guys, this is 3 a.m. and it's sharp.
Okay,
Like
we
for
show
me-
you at the first that the clock is 3 a.m. It's just a photo of my clock. It's 3 a.m.
Yeah, in the iMovie. This is an iMovie. We both always make iMovies. We love it. So I'm happy with the color. I'm kind of happy.
Me
Just gonna
too.
mix it more a bit because there's some orange because it comes orange. So
It comes a little
this.
bit on. I think we need more
On your fingers, like on the gloves. Good thing it's not on your fingers. So
Yes.
when you're happy with the color, move it for one side. Like this. Ow! Slime. There's a lot of slime today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All my hands are flying.
This is just testing. So I hope it works.
Me too.
Okay, we're wearing pajamas because it's 3 a.m.
Yeah, we wake up from the night and we try to make our hair, but it's not so good.
Yeah, we're not scared. We're adventure guys.
Yeah.
Guys, you can skip this part if you want till the activator. I mean the contact lens. So mine is good. How about yours, Selena?
Yeah, I think now I need some of them. Some of it.
Some
because-
contact lens solution. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more glue. We're gonna put some glue stick, like like quarter of a spoon.
Because we don't have so much glue. You need so much
And we need it
glue
to be
for-
heavy. So
yeah,
it will
because we're
form your
having
slime easier.
three slimes. We're doing 3 slimes.
Yeah, we're gonna make 3 slimes, and after the testing video, we're not gonna do this part in the video, but we're gonna make more slimes for my brother and my cousin and her cousin. Right?
Yeah, we're gonna do this part
Mix
because
it till it's
so long.
till it's very nice and good. I'm so excited to touch it, which is the best part.
You're just
ever.
putting glue.
Okay. Now I'm ready. I think.
Our mom is helping us a little.
Yeah, not my mom because I came here first. Oh my god, it was so fun. We had pillow fight. We had a movie. We like some popcorn with it. Now I'm gonna put some contact lens solution.
Now, do not put too much at first, then put some more.
Oh, mine is starting to form as slime. Mine is starting.
Very nice.
See?
Very nice.
Mixing it. It's just the light because
This is mine.
that side. 'Cause it's
So
3
you
a.m.
need is mixing.
It's not even scary at 3 a.m. What's so scary?
Yeah, fine.
Nothing. Like, seriously.
The glue stick, don't put it so much because when
Yeah,
you put it in
because
the
it
plate, you cannot mix it. You need to mix it so much.
Okay.
And you cannot mix it.
Okay, this is getting good. So now I'm gonna start. Wait, there's some glue. Okay, now I'm gonna start putting some contact lens solution after
It's
I put
doing
it
very
all
well.
on one side. When you need contact lens solution, tell me.
contact.
Okay.
Then
Oh my god. I put a little bit of contact lens solution.
a little bit,
Now
then
I'm
stir,
putting
then
more.
a little bit, then stir until it's take the right shape.
Oh, mine is starting.
Can you give me
More.
the contact lens solution?
Oh, here you go, Tia.
You need to stir two very good. Then two more.
Mine is a bit liquidy, so I need to put. Don't put too much active in contact lens solution, because I don't know if it's gonna ruin it. Because we tested this out before this video, and we failed.
Yeah, it
So-
doesn't so good.
I hope it
put in
work.
touch.
Yeah, when we touched it, it was pink.
Because
Can I have
we
contact lens
stirred
solution,
all
please?
the paint in the first time.
Just put a few drops. Don't put more.
actually.
I need a little. Yeah, mine smells like slime.
Me too.
It doesn't have a lot of foam. So afterwards, we're gonna make more slimes. Please work.
Yeah, I hope for it.
I hope the white butterfly gave us luck, because today I saw a white butterfly,
And the orange butterfly.
and it gave us luck for the sleepover. Like, it was so fun. Like, you couldn't imagine how fun.
It's going so
Look
good.
at mine. Yours is almost slime. Like, oh my god.
You
How
gotta
did you
see
do that?
mine. Don't know.
Wow, yours
I-
is a lot.
Put a glue and coloring a little.
Maybe
But
your
I
mom
put
put
too
a lot.
much coloring. Don't know why.
You put so much.
I think I'm good enough.
Yeah, I know. Yours is dark blue. Guys, how long is this gonna take?
I don't know.
Okay, we're making slime.
Yeah.
Slime? Who says no to slime? I love slime.
Sometimes I do.
Okay, I need some contact lens solution. Okay, after 1 hour of heavy stirring, this is how our slime became. And it's getting to it. So we're gonna finish up later, and we're so sleepy
Because
I'm gonna sleep on
because
the
it's
table
going
inside this.
because
Yeah.
it's nearly 4 actually.
Yeah, it is 4 a.m. We started at 9 a.m.
Yeah.
What?
We
9
started
a.m.
at 3
Talking
a.m.
3 a.m. 9 a.m.
It needs so much time.
We slept at 9 a.m. That's why
Alright.
it's in my brain.
So now, bye.
Bye. I'm gonna sleep.